Creating Problem Sets with TTask. In this tutorial video, we will create a problem set from the already prepared problems circuits to control the training and educational mode of TINA and TINACloud. The control file for TINA has an extension of .exa, while the extension for TINACloud is .exar. Note that in the training and examination mode of TINA, in addition to the .exa files, you also need the problem circuit files saved in the test files or another folder, while in the case of TINACloud, the .exar files contain everything. You can generate these files with the TTask utility of the offline educational version of TINA. To install this utility, you should set up TINA using Custom Setup as shown on this screen. After the setup installation, you can launch TTask from the Start menu of Windows under TINA Educational. Start TTask. Let's add to our new problem set the problem circuits created and saved in the Test Files folder as shown in the Creating Problem Circuits for Training and Examination video tutorial. To add the first problem circuit, press the Add New Task button denoted with the red plus in the middle of the TTask window. The temporary name of the first problem circuit task appears. Navigate to the Test Files folder and select Transistor Circuit. Enter in the name field, Transistor Circuit. Uncheck the Advisor checkbox. Let's add the second problem circuit. Press again the Add New Task plus button, select Voltage Division.tsc, and enter Voltage Division in the name field. Change Type to DC Problem, and uncheck the Selection checkbox under Options. Similarly, add the third problem circuit called CircuitDesign.tsc. Add the fourth Troubleshooting.tsc problem circuit. Change type to Troubleshooting and uncheck the Selection and the Advisor checkboxes under Options. Next, tick the Fault Enabled Locked checkbox. Finally, using Save As in the File menu, save the control files of our new problem set under the name Short Test in the Test Files folder as .exa for TINA and .exar for TINACloud. This concludes our video tutorial on creating control files for training and examination. Note that for TINACloud, you should upload the .exar files to the TINACloud server with its supervisor function, as explained in the Creating Classes, Class Members, and Problem Sets in TINACloud's Supervisor Mode video tutorial. For more information, visit our website at tinacloud.com. Visit our YouTube channel to youtube.com/user/TINA Design Suite.